start the stream back up. Let's go all over again. There's no way someone's already watching. It's actually kind of crazy. Okay, that's what I thought. Good. I was about to say, if someone's watching before I even started the stream, that's crazy, and I also don't know how to do it on YouTube. So, time to add stream. I want to add, but I also don't want to add because there's some people that aren't here for the streams. I gotta make this a little better. Wait, Haru, what the frick? You are here. Whatever. Haru, how did you get here so quick? I'm looking for somebody that's not... I'm trying to get rid of someone's role. Don't at me, I'm not here for the stream. Okay. Well, it's too bad because I'm adding everybody. Okay, so this Tommy guy is not part of the... so I'm gonna get rid of that for him. His live stream. Okay, Moose. Not Wolf. I hate that. Wolf changed his name. Like... Haru, Wolfg changed his name, and now whenever I have to do add gamers, I have to make sure I'm not just adding Wolfg, because he changed it to programmer, so now when I put gamer, it's just program, and then it's annoying, because I'm stupid. Hey, let me give this guy his rollback. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make it a little different later. Okay. What was I working on? Oh yeah, the training room, kind of. So, with the training room, it was actually kind of a simple idea. I'm so lucky your one viewer has to cram for school. Nice. What are you cramming for? What's up, Defective? Hurry, what are you cramming for? Bad news? What happened? Is it related to your game, hopefully? My game broke? No. That's one thing I wasn't hoping for. Okay, let's just do this. Trading table. So I need an animal location. Interaction box. Animal container. Space. Training room. Animal container into training room. Animal location in the training room, and then interaction box in the training room. So where are you? You're down here. So if I do that, it should go up to... No. Yeah, this is the only problem with this. Let's make the... everything go to 0, 0. Oh, yeah. Kind of weird. Your game broke entirely. Ooh, that's weird. You should give me the most valuable role. The most valuable role is gamers. What do you mean? What's up, Fake Red? How you doing? Okay, let's do... I need to move this thing down to 0, 0. Oh my crap! What is going on? Okay, everything here goes 0, 0. This way, then this way, then here, then here. The interaction box will be the front of it, so... Oh. Something like this. That's good. Interaction box, the scale will increase a little bit. Decrease there. Come out a little bit. What's up? Figured I got the play yard working a little bit. It looks pretty cool. So there's other people that are greater than equal to me. Haru, yes. But not really. There's just no role that would suit you, Haru. That's the only reason. You don't even know how it's broken. It's fine. So it randomly broke. Weird. That's kind of odd. Was there no reason why it broke? So 0, 0 is over here. I'm gonna move everything that way. So this, to this, to this. Okay. We're getting closer to 0, 0. I think. 0 there. 0 kind of there. I guess I could just do this. What am I doing? 0, 0. Now training room. That is the center. That's fine. And the animal location, which I have no idea where is that. Oh, today. Over here. Animal location. Up. This way. Right. Up. This needs to go inside. Nope. Right in here. Nope. Animal location. Right in here. That'll be good. You don't even give me work to do, Nick. Why would I give you work to do? This is supposed to be a relaxing stream, not a working. Putting minors to work is crazy. That's not what the stream's about, Haru. That should be good. What's up, Wolf G? And the crazy thing is the second time that this happened. It's kind of weird. There must be a common trend that you'll have to figure out what's going on. Okay, I think this is a good now. Animal location, we got all these parts in an animal container. Okay, good. Let's bring this up here. Now, to make this work, it should be kind of simple. We just do the normal scripting for it. So let's go to starter pack, starter player, animals, no, shop items. We'll do example module, copy paste that, put it in there. This will be the training room script. I'm gonna have to. So I think the kettle module has like everything of the base that I would want. So I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna put this in the example also because I feel like this is kind of necessary. So we'll do that, and then we'll just have this has animal check in here too. In both of these, it's only right. You want things to do that don't concern me at all? Okay. Alright, gotta go. Bye. Bye, Haru. I gotta look at Discord. What's on the Discord? Hope I made 231 lanes just for my Discord bot. I don't know what that means. I don't know how Discord bots work. I don't know how to help you, Wolf G. You have all the things where I somehow get strong servers to crash on random times. I don't know what that means either. I've never seen that personally. Also, I have Discord notifications on. I gotta turn it off for now. Nope. And off. Oh, you have 231 lines of broken code, is what you were saying? On Visual Studio. Alright, see ya, Wolf G. Okay. So, training room has animal. Let's do the if has animal. I don't need this. I just kind of want you to do interact. Doesn't even check if we have the animal. It just goes through. That's kind of weird. Why would I check? Oh, I'm not actually checking. That's why I don't really care right now. Okay, if not has animal, keep it simple. Return, and we could do a print does not have animal held. All right. And then we're gonna do held animal parent. Oh wait, it's not that one. It's held animal controller. Where do I use this? I don't use this at all. Wait, no, I do. It's in here. Okay, we're gonna transfer this one also. I'm gonna transfer this here now. Held animal controller dot place animal. Then we get the model, and then we get the location, which will be the model find first child of animal location. Location, and then we're gonna do dot position, because this is gonna be a part. Okay, anyways, the model find first child animal location dot position. So we get that. Why do I get this? Yes. You gonna go restore game real quick? Sounds good, effective. Good luck. Fake Red, what are you working on right now? What are you up to? Oh, Fake Red, let me show you. Well, let me see if you're still here, because I think you're still here, but I'm not sure. But I'll just say, I gotta show you something, because I got something at work yesterday. It was pretty cool. Or the day before. Working on the FNAF game update event? Okay, sounds good. Okay, here's what I have to show you. So when I so with the play yard now, I don't know if this is working still. So when I put an animal in the play yard, it goes into a random position on there. But more importantly, it walks around and has fun in the play yard, / it just moves around. And every time it moves, I can change its fun meter or whatever. But yeah, so it's in there, and then it'll move around. So like right now it's moving. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, I think it's kind of like slightly broken, but it will move around slowly inside of here. And it works pretty well. Kind of. Mostly. Let me check the durations. Second plot, based objects, play yard, animal container, dog. Yeah. So duration, it's based off their duration, although it's not going up and down right now. There we go. Oh yeah, so it is, okay. So whenever it gets to 4, it starts moving around. It moves randomly in the white area. Because that's the location that I've selected from it. And the script, what does it look like again? So in here, I do model, and then I get the primary part. That's what I'm checking for. So then I get the position and then the size, and then I do the little thingies with that, and then I get the random position in there. It's not like complicated. It's just looks nice. And it does move randomly. And then later on, I'm gonna change its like meters to match the stuff, and I probably have it move faster. It definitely needs work. Like I completely agree that it needs work. I have to adjust the animal speeds to like, depending on how far their location is, this is how long they're gonna take time to get there, because it's their movement speed type of thing. Because right now it's just a flat like 5 seconds, I think, which is not good. Yeah, that's that as far as the thing I had finished. Now I also have to make it so you can play with the animals in there, and that one's gonna be a little more complicated. I also have to work on animal models and stuff like that, because I don't know when that's ever gonna get worked on. So yeah, and we get that, do that, and then the training room. Controller pace animal. Okay, that should be good. Name dot activate. So whenever this activates, I gotta remember how I did it for the play yard. I think it was just do its thing. So for each animal in play yards, or for each play yard that has an animal, check their duration and then move. Okay. So we're gonna do local training rooms. And we're gonna do table dot insert to training rooms, comma, we're gonna do model. Oh, I think I had a loop in here. Yes, maybe. No, it's not a loop. It's just for loops. Okay. For I guess if we're gonna check if the table's not empty. So if hashtag training rooms is equals 0, return. Or else we're gonna do for each table, for each room in the training rooms. Training room in training rooms. Do if okay, so local duration is equal to training room find first child of animal character. Animal container. Alright. Animal container, then we're gonna do get children, and then we're gonna do the first child because there's only one child. We could do animal. Local duration is equal to animal get attribute duration. If duration is less than, let's say it takes 30 seconds for it to local training time is equal to 30 seconds for now. I should make that a variable just also. training time, then duration plus equals 1. What's up, you? I guess if duration is greater than or equal to. So if duration is greater than or equal to training time, then we're going to train the animal. So print train animal. What's up, native? Train animal. Yes. And then we could do duration is equal to 0, I guess. Okay. And then at the end, we just do animal set property of duration to duration. Easy. Some trait coding on my end. Okay. Sounds good. Bookfist tomorrow. Bye. Bye, defective. Hopefully it starts working at some point. You gotta go to sleep. Sounds good. Have a good night. Okay, so animal set attribute duration. This should be good. And I think it's in player manager that I do this. Object interactions, I use equipment. Object interactions, the items manager. This will be training room when I actually set it up, actually. Okay, local training room script is equal to require all of this. Training room. Training room script activate. Right? Bum, 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 bum. All right, that should be good. Yeah, that should be good. So 30 seconds for an animal to train. And then interact should send them into the thingy. So it should be good. Now I only have to make it accessible from the shop. Example module. Nope. Shop items module. Do you know how to create a website on Python? No. I don't like Python that much. I haven't worked with Python that much is what I should say. I do like Python a little bit now. I haven't worked on Python recently though. I should probably work on that again. Name is training room. Right? Training room. Okay. URL, price. I'll do 50. Offset's gonna have to be determined when I work with it. So let's check this out. Nope. Training room goes to replicated and buildables. Play. Build mode. Training room. That's not how it's supposed to work. Attempts to index no with name. Can you help me create a chat room website? If you know how to make websites, maybe. I probably wouldn't be able to teach you from scratch. Primary part's null. Primary part will be probably just set a primary part object. And then I would be determining where the mouse starts. Part. This will be the primary part. Primary part. I might do that for every one of them. Might. So player, let's take this back to workspace. No, not player. Training room. Hello? That must be the primary part. Let's take this up here. Over here. And I lost the part. Where the... this is so weird. Please, just place on top of here, please. This is so jank. Where is it going? Oh, hold on. No, that makes more sense. I hate this. Alright, primary part. Grab. It's still moving the whole thing. Alright, move. It's up there. What's the thing I need to download to create website and server? You could do Visual Studio Code, but I don't think that, or Visual Studio, but that doesn't use Python. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how to do Python websites. Oh, maybe not that high. Whatever. I'm gonna just paste a position over here. I'm tired of this. Well, position, primary part, position. Make the scale small. Move it down here. Okay, and this could be transparent still. So what should I use? There's many different website development settings. So you could do C#, although that's gonna take you forever to get to website development. You could do Python. You could just do basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But that's not how you'd have to host it somewhere. I'm not really sure where because I don't really do it with just that stuff. There's a couple different options. This just you're not gonna be able to make a website in like 30 minutes. I'm gonna be honest. If you wanna make a quick website, you'd have to make it on like a website making website. So like something that's cheap or free or something. I don't know. It's not that easy. What's up, Lolo? Which I still feel like is you, but I don't know. Parent training room. Is the training room the primary part of this? Yes, it should be. Okay. Play, build, training room. Alright. Training room goes back to this. This is so much. Okay. Build mode, training room. I have to anchor it. Build, training. Okay, I mean, I'll have to figure out. Yeah. Primary part a little bit, but it's okay. It kind of works. Let's just see if the animal goes in there. Let's just see. Index, nil with interact. Time to index nil with interact. But I'm standing inside of it. What's up, Poto? How's your day? I guess how's your night going, Poto? Because it's probably later. I guess it's midday for you, maybe? I forgot, honestly. I kind of forgot. I try to learn Python for 5 hours a day. Oh, dang. That's a good amount, honestly. You'd have to watch videos on how to set up a website with Python then, because I have no clue. I genuinely have no clue. play. Okay. I realized what the error was, so it should be okay. We'll do that. And then we'll go back. And then we'll hold E. And now it goes into the spot. Perfect. Beautiful. Now it goes in there, and then over time it'll do its little thing of duration, timings, and whatever's, right? Tycoon plot, place objects, training room, and then animal container. We got the dog. I got that dog on there. So duration's going up. Once it hits 30, it'll print out that it's training. Yep, train animal. Got it. Perfect. So that technically works for now. That's good. That's good. I kind of want to refine a little bit of the stuff now. So let's start with the bathing table since it's first. The bathing table. The interact button with them. Okay, hold on. Interact. So if animal's on table, then we can clean the animal. It's clean. All the animals exclude that. If cleanliness is equal to 0, true, return false. Then how the animal grab from table. Else place animal. Okay, so option 1 will be boom, boom, and boom. School is funny. How come? What do you think is funny about school, Red? It's a very serious topic. You can't say that about. Is clean wash table? I guess I have to get the specific wash table, don't I? If they're on the table, then wash animal. Start bathing. I know it's about something else. Oh, I mean, I'm just being sarcastic, Red. I was just kidding. I didn't really. School was really weird when I was in high school. I don't really know how to describe it. Although I miss being in school because it was a lot more relaxing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The only thing about school is that high school doesn't teach you how to get a job. Kind of. Yeah, it doesn't really teach you how to get a job. You just spend too much time doing random crap. Then college is just like expanding on the high school stuff. And then, I mean, they teach you more about real life things that you're going to use, but at the same time, they don't really teach you the job things that you want. It's really weird. Is it? It's easier than before. Maybe where you are, I have no idea what the differences are with school. I feel like schools over here. Sorry. I feel like schools over here haven't changed much in the last many years. If animals on table, done that. Okay, else place animal. Option 2 would be remove animal. Interact. Interact secondary. If animal on table, then do that. And if animal on table, then Stop with held animal. Alright, so if there's an animal on the table already, we're gonna swap their places if you have an animal in your hands. Other than that, it's something else, I don't know. 16 more days before entering high school. Good luck you. Keep counting them down. You're gonna miss these days, honestly. I think one day, maybe, potentially. I have no idea. Potentially. Oh. You can't have left time to walk you through. I don't know what that means exactly. I don't know what you mean by that at all. I think. So yeah. Static wash table loop. Would this be the active one? This is gonna have to get changed, actually. I've realized. Let's do that. And we'll call this active. You have less time to watch the live stream? I mean, that's normal. I think a lot of people have a lot less time to watch the live streams recently. Which is fine. I don't know what cleaning active means. I'm gonna ignore that. If active watch tables is equal to 0. If then return and then end. Let me get rid of this one. No, get rid of this one. This doesn't need a task. Wait. For X and active watch tables, do local held ammo is equal to held ammo get from container. Oh, I forgot there was a thing. I forgot that was the thing. Hold on, let me do that with the other one. Training room. Held animal controller that get animal from container, and then we can do training room. It looks much cleaner. Alright, now I'll go back here. Cleanliness is attribute cleanliness. Completed watch tables. We're gonna get rid of that. Gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this. Place animal. No. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn cleaning active whenever we interact with a primary. So that'd be the wash animal script. So here. That's gonna be kind of weird. So the individual wash table needs a attribute to see if it's cleaning or not. The bathing table attributes is cleaning. Do a boolean save. That'll be false for now. Do that. Watch table dots or set attribute. This is a model. Set attribute of is cleaning, comma true. We'll get rid of this. Table to insert, wash tables, wash table. Yep. That's fine. Then in here, we're gonna loop through the active wash tables. We're gonna get their held animal. We're gonna check the cleanliness. We're gonna subtract the cleanliness from 1. If their duration. So local duration now. It's equal to duration. If duration is equal to greater than or equal to 30, then cleanliness minus equals to 1, and duration is equal to 0. Held animal set attribute cleanliness. And then held animal set attribute duration to 0. And honestly, I could probably just get rid of this. Duration plus equals 1. And at the end, we're going to do held animal set attribute duration, comma duration. Well, actually, no, this should be duration 0 then. Alright, perfect. So now it takes 30 seconds to clean the animal 1 level of cleanliness. Then it's going to save the cleanliness level. After that, the duration of time spent cleaning goes back to 0. And that. Whatever. So we can do table dot remove active wash tables, comma wash table. Can we do that? Wash table model? Yeah. Okay. And also wash table model, get attribute. Dude, I need to make this a model. That's annoying. Okay, so we get the attribute of active is cleaning. And we set the false. You go to school at 6:40 a.m. back from school at 5 p.m. Yikes, dude. That is so rough, actually. From high school? When I was in high school, I'd wake up at 6 or 6:30. I would have to drive 30 minutes to school. And then I'd get off at like 2:45. So school started like at 7 and we get off at 2:45. I can't imagine going to school for a little over 12 hours. That's kind of wild. Unless you're like doing activities at the end or something, or like just the driving times, but like that's kind of crazy. I'm assuming you're getting in at 7. Because if you're going to school at 6:40, that means you're leaving at 6:40. And you're back from school at 5. Wait, I don't know how I read that so bad. It's less than 12 hours, but if you go in at 7 and you leave at 5, that's still a long time. That's still nearly 10. That's like 10 hours still. We go at 7 when I have to school. So you get to school at 8 or 7:30, one of those two, right? Red. Because of the driving times or whatever, plus the Well, just like the travel time, not really driving time. 8:20. All right. You go to high school at 6:25. Back from high school at 7. What? Why did it just change 2 hours? Hello. It's a big difference in time. It's got to be criminal to let high school be on for longer than 12 hours, I feel like. There's no way that's real. You forgot to add homeschool? Oh. Interesting. So you're being homeschooled and going to high school? I'm kind of confused. Watch channel active and it's cleaning. Don't even know what this is. What's up, Fishy Genius? Y'all, I'm having issue with Roblox login. I press the login button and it turns white, and now me entering the Roblox menu. I have the right password and username though. I don't use Roblox enough to answer that question. I like rarely use Roblox, to be honest. The only time I play Roblox is like on stream. I'm also automatically logged in, so I genuinely don't know. Yeah, I don't know. No, don't answer. Some most viewers here though. Okay. I mean, there's only a couple people here right now. Alright, so we got the watch tables kind of in a loop. For the ones in active, duration, Let's do wash animal. Finished cleaning. Maybe. Is that an error? Hello? Finished cleaning on 27th. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, I named it the exact same thing. Nice. Finish cleaning table dot remove. And then in here, if cleanliness is equal to 0, then I know it's kind of backwards where cleanliness goes to 0, but whatever. It's just I don't know. I'll probably name it something else at some point. So here we're gonna do finish cleaning, and inside of finish cleaning we can have like some like effects play for done and a sound effect. So that will happen there, and then in here when we remove the animal, it doesn't do that. It just gets rid of the animal. You guys are gonna stay here since Roblox is buggy? Okay. If you have nothing better to do, you're allowed to stay. It's okay. Oh my gosh. So what's the plan? What's the plan? So this should be good now, I think. So it's gonna print grab, print start bathing, place animal, swap places. Roblox can't even let me play login to my account, even though you have good internet. Yeah, that's kind of weird. What's going on there? Have you restarted your computer already? It's a little better than your sister. But that's like adding homeschool and online classes. Why do you have school plus homeschool plus online classes? That is so weird. That is a lot of school. You have nothing to do to sit here watch the coding master. Okay. Alright. That sounds perfect. You fixed some issues because I was confused between and or. That's really funny. I'm not gonna lie. See, the thing is, Fishy Genius, I find Fake Red as like the programming genius because he's been doing this for like 2 years. And then you find me programming genius, I have no idea why. He failed English. Yeah, but then Fake Red also failed a couple classes in school, so his programming skills aren't as good as they should be. What's the next? What's next? Okay, so I do want to print this, but I want to print this in like of in-person UI. It's not true. I don't know, Fake Red. Sometimes you have some questions that are like kind of I'm kind of curious about, man. I don't know, man. That's the only sign that would make sense. You dominated the math test. Well, I mean, I didn't say you failed all of them. You failed some that help you understand English, like you said. Also, Roblox said something is wrong. Try again later. Like what Roblox has a lot of issues today. You gonna talk to Roblox support about this? Have you tried restarting a computer and like restarting everything first? Because it's like generally a simple issue to be able like that's the simplest fix, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do this with every table for everything first, so that way everything looks good. So next step will be training room, I guess. You try to log into the browser, doesn't either. Can't even log out. Weird. Local objects, hold animal parent, get a child. Okay. Wait. Objects is equal to held parent, held animal parent dot get children. Why am I doing it like this? I thought the held animal controller was supposed to do that for me. Hold on. So held animal controller dot get held animal. So if get held animal is equal to nil, then return. We don't need this or this. Do I have that on all of them actually? I don't think so. Your dad's thought she learned all this from Duolingo. My sister studies English, Cambodian, and Chinese. Your dad says she learned from Duolingo. That's actually so many languages to learn. Why are you guys like the most like studious people in the world? Oh, I gotta turn my fan on. It's getting kind of hot. Kind of hot. Ew, not only do you have like so many hours of school, but also you're watching my stream, which is basically just programming class 101 in a way. And the auto classes cost 2,000 a month. That is crazy. Fake Red, you're just born that way? You too, Fake Red. You too. You're just a freaking genius too, dude. What the heck? You guys are actually kind of crazy. Kind of goated. Cause like, so like in high school, I was like I was like in like the smart classes, but I wasn't like the smart people, right? I was just doing good in school, and because I was kind of forced to by my mom. I mean, I probably would have done so either way. Maybe, I don't really know. I was still a kid, so I actually have no idea. But that's besides the point. So like I was in like the smart classes, but like I wasn't like that smart. I was just like above average for people that like actually tried to do school. And so I was just kind of sitting there. I was like, I'm part of the class, and that's pretty much it. And then if I'd ever get something right, and one of the smart people got it wrong, I'd be like, hell yeah, I'm a genius. But that's like to the extent of how smart I was. You're practically good at everything except exclude history. Yeah, history's also bad. History for some reason was the only thing I was good at in junior year or senior year. No, I think it was junior year for some reason. So my third year of high school, I was like a genius in history, but other than that, I was really bad. There's just certain years where I'm like, oh, dude, I'm just really good at this class for some reason. I don't know why. I just like paid attention better or something. You have to sacrifice history class. You know, at least history class is the most useless for programming also. Like, in what world are you going to use history other than trying to remember your old code from like 2 months ago? That's to the extent of history you're going to need in programming. And I guess reading documentation. So someone streaming Roblox is down with 400 views. I don't know if that's my problem Roblox too, but I'm curious. Go check out the stream. It probably is your problem, because it's probably just Roblox is down. Alright, anyways, let's do training room script. This should be pretty simple. So training, if we're not holding an animal, let's not have an animal. I don't know, you played at the website and it said an error occurred. Yeah, it might be. It was probably just down, honestly, yeah. So the base would be place animal. If do I have a script to check if a object is holding an animal? I don't think so. Let's check. Get animal from container. I do. Okay. That will be useful. If held animal controller dot get animal from container. Let's pass through the model. Pass through the model. Then remove animal or grab animal will be here. Well, this would also be if like you're holding an animal. So let's take this out first. So if there's an animal on the container already, then we can primary grab right? Yeah, so grab animal. But that's also if the player's held animal doesn't exist. Get held animal. So if the held animal doesn't exist, I guess we'll just, I don't really know how exactly, we'll just do nil. If the held animal is equal to nil, then we could grab the animal. Or else, we swap the animal. Swap. Did I ever learn French? I learned French in high school for like 2 years and it never went well. You have to learn French when you enter? Yeah, it was kind of rough. For me, it was kind of rough. I didn't really like French. Although I was born in Belgium, so like technically I should slightly remember stuff, but I really didn't. Roblox will be back. Incident from 2022 is happening. Master coder is the master language of device. You now communicate with phones. That's crazy. Wait, Fishy, if Roblox is down and it never goes back up, all the work I've been doing is kind of useless. So I'll probably just cry about it. There's nothing else I can do. Oh. Alright, so yeah, grab or swap. Option 2. I mean, do we really need an option 2? I feel like we don't need it. So if there's no animal on here, we could place animal if the player's animal. I'll just see option 1 equals to nil or empty, and then option 2 is also equal to empty. And then options 1 is equal to that. Options 2 is equal to empty also. Just that way we have something there. We don't really need an options 2 on this one, but it's just in case. That way it doesn't return a null. This should be pretty simple. So if there's an animal inside the training room and we don't have an animal, then we just grab it, and if we do have an animal, we'll just swap it. And if there's no animal inside of here, if there's no animal inside of the model, then we'll place animal. If we have an animal in our hands. There's like 3 streaming going on. It's like about 1.2k people in total. I don't know if it's really down. You should check it out. If you had time, it's fine. If you don't, mine don't, because I can't play or log in. I mean, I guess I could check Roblox. No reason not to. I mean, there's people on. I wonder what this is. Is just fishing game? I mean, I guess it's up. I don't really know, Fishy. Also, this game kind of works for your name. Not gonna lie, that's kind of perfect. Also, Squid is in here, so why is that so convenient? Why is Squid playing a fishy game? Or how many loadings is there gonna be here? This is crazy. Okay. Alright, that's pretty much it. Who the hell is Fish? That's my cousin's name. Aren't you Fish? Just checking. Alright. Boring game. It might be, I don't know. That's not everyone's game. I don't really play fishing games either. So I'm definitely not playing it. I was just checking if Roblox was down because Fish is saying that he can't log in or do anything. And there's apparently streams that are also saying that. Alright, so the next one should be starter player. We got training room. We need items management. No, kennel. This one should also be pretty simple. It'll probably be similar to this one. So we're gonna do that. So, model. So again, we're gonna grab, swap, and place, but also in this one, we're gonna do something unique. Do I need this one? There's something wrong in here. If closes here, if closes here, else does not close. I don't know. It's weird. Else end, else end, else end. Okay. I don't know why I have an else in here. Hold on. If you ever drop something on your toes, trust me, y'all, it's a vibe. It's more fun to stay with this cool guy instead of Roblox. Thank you, thank you. So if there's no animal here, and we have an animal, then we can place the animal. Else end. Option 2 will be fill food bowl. Filled food bowl will always be a thing, even if the food bowl is full. I guess not. At the bottom, we'll do if model get attribute. Model get attribute of has food. If there's not food, options 2 is equal to fill food bowl. That should be pretty much it. It should be good. It should be good. And that's it. Right, now we're gonna go to play yard. This will probably almost exactly be the same as the training room. Except for this one, we are gonna want... Is there like a missing end or something over here? I'm confused. No. Did you ever see a video about Cambodia? I have not seen a video about Cambodia. Is there something interesting going on over there that I am not aware of? I gotta pass through the model. And we're gonna say this is a model because I don't like when it doesn't. Now the second option will be play. There's nothing interesting. Okay. Play with. Well, I guess it should be if there's an animal. So let's get rid of that. If animal held animal controller that get animal from container, pass the model over. Is not nil. Then we will do options 2 to play with. I guess I should also just add the name. And let's just do this again. name. And I could do that for everything else too. Grab see this. Grab dot name. And then get rid of this. We'll just do this again. Okay, that should be okay. I'll do that more later also. Don't ever search about Cambodia in 1975. I won't. Ever, I thought a video froze. No, I'm kind of just thinking. It's a slow process. It's a slow process. All right, so next step. I think I have all of them actually. That should be good. So now I also kind of want to change the interactions to like server side stuff. So player manager, gain replicate storage event.connect, print interaction, interaction enabled, true. User input manager, interaction event connect, function primary, and object interactions on interact. Okay, I'm kind of confused as to what's going on because I did this like a couple weeks ago. Or maybe last week. Yeah, I think it was like either last week or a couple weeks ago. So on the interactable event, print interaction. If interaction enabled, then return. Interaction enabled is equal to true. Print interaction enabled. Okay, so this is when we walk into a green box. So like an interaction box. Object to interact is equal to object. User input manager dot enable interaction. I don't think I want to return. I think this is just keep it like that. And then so interaction enabled, object interact is the object, and then user input manager dot enable interaction. This means that I am allowed to interact with the object. So if I hold E, it'll interact. If you make use of rest and sad, you get the pressed and sad. What? What? How long before early access? I don't know. This game is not ready at all. I don't. It just depends as to when the game gets ready. I don't really know. This is gonna be a while, I think. To be at least another month, I feel like. Why is interaction enabled not getting set? Do I need this? No, I've completely broken my interaction stuff, I guess. What? When did I break it? I didn't do anything. I did nothing. I promise. I promise. What did I do? What the heck, dude? This can't be real. Releases in 2025, guys? Yeah, this is gonna release in 2025, unironically. Look at that. Okay, close. It's real. I don't think I'm gonna release this in 2024. I don't think that's possible. It's gonna take me a while. Once I get to the point where I could just add a bunch of animals and it'll be fun, like I could just go in, add animals, and that's it, or like new areas, it'll be so much fun. But right now, it's like I gotta build all the stuff up. I gotta build it up from the ground up. And that's gonna take a minute. It's gonna take a fat minute. But once I get to the point where I'm done with this, then we get to the good part. That's when we get to the good part. Alright, anyways, why is this not working anymore? Do I want to learn Cambodian? Probably not, to be honest. I'm not very much of wanting to learn other languages. So player walks in a box. Okay, so it's firing the event. Cool. That's happening in player manager. The only thing is with player manager is there's something wrong going on up here. Okay. Training room script. There's a missing end. Probably in here. There. That should be good. Okay, yeah, we're good now. We're good now. Alright, so we're gonna get rid of this interaction thing that I had set up because this does not work. Roblox is trolling after all. I have to reinstall Roblox to solve the problem. Oh, that's kind of stupid. I mean, look at the bright side. At least you know the answer now. And now you can go play Roblox. And you don't have to watch the stream. You're not forced to be here anymore. You've surpassed us. It's all good. Okay, so we have that new interaction. Anyways, I'm just go play the game. I want to stay longer though. Okay. Have fun. I'll see you later. Thanks for being here. And my 3 lines that I say every time someone leaves. You got all 3 of them. Good job. A minute? Wait, I didn't see what you meant by a minute. Red. I don't know what that meant. But definitely 2025. I don't think it's gonna get anywhere before that. This is definitely gonna take a while. Also because I'm just slow at programming. And I only program during streams right now. Oh, hold on. Thank you. Sorry, my mic does stupid stuff. My mic does some stupid stuff every once in a while. My bad. That's on me. Alright, yeah. We should be good now, right? Should be good. Let me check the audio levels. That's it's not as high as it was before. No, it was. We're good. We're good. So I should still be talking, right? Bup, 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 bup. Yep. Alright, we're good. So the issue was there. I want to move the interactions to server-side interactions. No? Question mark. I mean, I'm checking on OBS. The OBS says I'm fine. I think. Is it not as loud as it was before, or is it just like just a me issue? Kind of confused. Oh, we have so many people in Discord, but no one joins anymore. I'm just kidding. Actually, now that I checked the whole Discord, there's a lot of people that do join, so never mind. It's still cutting off. It should not be cutting off anymore. Let me what? Let me. Alright, if I talk right now, it's not cutting off. Yeah, I don't hear it you. I don't hear it. I could do that, but it should be cutting off. Your mic is funny. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me mute this. Oh wait, I have to go back. Hold on, I'm checking this stream. I honestly do not hear it. I'm watching the stream back and I don't hear it. I don't know. Let me check the stuff here. There's something in there. It should be good. I don't really know. Let me check this. I mean, it should be good. I don't see why it wouldn't. Oh, it's recording for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. It should be good. I'm not sure. Do you have a second mic? Wait, how's it being funky? I don't hear it though. Oh, also, yeah, I guess you can hear my dogs. Hold on. You know, I didn't realize how sensitive my mic was for some reason. Let me change that also. That should not be a thing. Alright. That should be better. I just don't know why it's being funky. I genuinely don't know if it's actually funky because I'm listening to the stream and it sounds completely normal. Potentially, maybe. This is confusing. And the stream's dead. Hello? Oh, that's okay. Stream died.